Graph the function y equals negative 6 minus 5. This is a function in slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. Start by identifying the y-intercept, b. In this case, the y-intercept is negative 5. This value can be graphed on the y-axis. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, right here. That is the y-intercept. The slope of the line is the coefficient of x. In this case, the slope is negative 6. This means, starting at the y-intercept, for every 6 steps up, I move 1 to the left. 6 up and 1 to the left. And the reason that I move to the left is because the slope is negative. The line connecting these points is the graph of the equation.